Okay, Loko ground is connected to USB and USB connected to PC. Now first we are pressing the power button and we are pressing and holding, and then we are also pressing and holding this left button, and then we are making a short press to the right button just once. Okay, I'm releasing, but I am still holding these two buttons. And then from configuration tool, we are going to ground unit, and on the bottom side there is a firmware update. And then we are just pressing flash firmware, and we select the USB port, and it starts to writing. And we are waiting until the flashing. Just 1 second. And while we are doing that, we are still holding these two buttons. We don't release it until this to finish the firmware update. Okay, done. It is completed. And now I'm releasing, and once I'm pressing this one, okay, now it should be updated. And after that, while it is flashing, so I can just go to configuration tool, ground unit, and I can try to connect. See, okay, I'm connected, and I can change the configuration. So